We have an update here for our project 20201. And this is now how it looks from the outside of this building. The window grills are already being fixed there. The black walls for both for the interior and the exterior is complete. Project consists of 2-unit typical villa, and so let us go inside the building. Now we are in the process of breaking the concrete block for our electrical work and the plumbing work. We are at the ground floor. As you can see, we already have started the breaking of the block. Let us go to the first floor. As you can see, it is already being cleaned up. All the formworks have already been removed. The shutterings have already been cleared. And the door jambs are already being fixed, as you can see. Or this floor is also ready for the concrete breaking for our electrical and the plumbing work. I am going to show you what are the electrical materials that we are going to fix here. So here, by the way, disclaimer, the products that you see in this video is not intended for promotional. We buy the product legally from the supplier to complete our job. So this video has nothing to do with the product name or the company or the supplier of these materials. So here, this is the 60 ampere main switch breaker with the enclosure. This is for the elevator. And this one here, this is the 100 ampere main switch breaker with enclosure. This is for our main safety switch coming from the meter. And this one here is our panel board. The 100 amperes main switch breaker, 3-phase, 24 branches. There are 2 units of this, 1 unit for the ground floor and 1 unit for the first floor. And here is our utility box. This is the 7x7 steel box for our switches and outlet. This is the two-way. This one here is the 7 cm by 7 cm steel box, 4-way, for our switches and convenience outlet. This one here is our 7 by 7 cm 3-way utility steel box. That is also for the convenience outlet and switches. And this one here is our for the single utility steel box, 7 by 7, also for switches or for convenience outlet. And here is our 15 by 17 cm plastic junction box. And this one here is the 15 cm by 30 cm plastic junction box. This one here is the 15 cm by 20 cm plastic junction box. And this one here is our 10 by 10 cm plastic junction box. And of course our 20 mm PVC conduits there and the coupling. And now this is how it looks when we fix the electrical conduit here for our convenience outlet. Then going up to the junction box there. And here the electrical conduit is installed together with the drain pipe for the split type AC unit. This is the convenience outlet and the TV outlet. And that is our junction box and the drain pipe, the 3/4 inches diameter drain pipe that will go down continuously to the floor drain of the toilet and bath. Now, that is now how it looks after we cover the pipes with the cement. The electrical conduit and also our steel box there, the junction box. And so that's it for now for our update for this project number 20201.